A data integration partnership between Coinbase and Tradingview allows Tradingview users to access real-time data from Coinbase, enabling them to analyze over 700 crypto assets directly within the Tradingview platform. To access this data, users must first open the Tradingview website and search for Coinbase assets by clicking the search icon and typing Coinbase, followed by the name of the desired trading pair, such as BTC/USDT or BTC/USD. Once selected, users can utilize Tradingview's extensions, including indicators, drawing tools, and chart styles, to conduct technical analysis. However, executing trades on Coinbase directly from Tradingview is not possible and must be done manually by logging into the Coinbase account. After completing analysis, users can log in to their Coinbase account and place trades based on the insights gained from the Tradingview charts.